Hold on, guys, it's about to get wild, wild, Whizzer.
It's quite wild.
Welcome back, riders. How was that ride? Please remain seated until your hovercraft comes to a complete stop and your vehicle is rotated for unloading. We will then release your lap bar. Please unbuckle your safety belt. Carefully step over the side of the vehicle and exit at the center of the station on the same side you entered. Don't forget any personal belongings. Once again, the exit is on the same side you entered at the center of the station. Please watch your step and walk to the exit. Thank you for riding the Wild Whizzer and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.